If you have a Whirlpool dishwasher like this one, where the controls are up here on the top and your top rack is falling off because the wheels have broken or the little things that hold the wheels on are broken, let me show you how to replace those components.
This tutorial is for a Whirlpool dishwasher, but it's also for Kenmore. They're made by the same company, and this is just a list of some of the model numbers that this repair can be done with. They have the control panel on the top of the board, but this is what is happening. As you can see, the plastic piece holding the wheel in was broken and it was falling down on both sides. This tutorial goes for both sides. I'm just going to show one side. First, grab the tab, push it in, pull it to the center of the dishwasher on both sides, and then you can easily slide your rack out. Next, get a butter knife, wedge it between the cracks of the adjuster assembly, and once you push it up and prop it up, you should be able to remove it. On the back of the rack, you'll find this adjuster slide. You can easily remove this with your hands, your fingers. Once you pop it off, you'll see it slides with no problem. And then the front of the rack, you'll need a butter knife to get in. Push the tab down to make it loose. You can pull it out by twisting it. And now we get to the U shape in the middle of the rack. Use a butter knife or use your fingers. Mainly use the butter knife to loosen up the tabs. After they're loose, you can use your fingers to push them together, and then you can go from the inside of the dishwasher rack and easily use the finger to pull it out and get it loose. And now the assembly should easily pop off. Reassembling it, start with the back piece, push it around the rectangular tab just to make sure it locks into place, and now reconnect this to the back of the rack to where it was. It's not the last part of the metal rack, it's the last enclosed part. Use your hands to snap it back together. It clicks in, go back to the front, twist it sideways to get around the bars, find the other rectangular part and slide it in, but you need a butter knife to lift that tab up again and slide it into place so it's secure. It should look like this. We get back to that U-shaped part with the teeth. The teeth need to be facing down towards the bottom of the rack. Line up the little nubs in the back, the little clips in the back, push them with your hands till they snap into place. And now we can put on the adjuster part. We line it up with where it goes on the adjuster assembly. It should look something like this. When you're ready, find the holes. It's hard to see here, but find the little holes to where the cover goes in. And once you put the cover on, you can just kind of push the cover back into place. It's hard for me doing this with one hand, but you'd want to use two hands to do this. And then you should be done, and this is how it should look. I should actually replace this part. I only ordered the parts I needed, but this part's looking pretty terrible. Could be the detergent in my dishwasher. Next thing, just line up the wheels with the rack inside your dishwasher. You can see it easily slides in now, and then put the cover for the ends on, slide them from the inside of the rack to the outside. And now you should be done. Enjoy using your dishwasher that is now fixed, and you don't have to worry about your dishes falling down. I will leave an affiliate link in the description for the parts I use to repair my dishwasher. Clicking on those links, buying those parts does help out this channel. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe if this was useful for you repairing your dishwasher.